Welcome back to Metals, Money, and Markets, week ending August 4th, 2017. With me, as always, Mickey Fulp, the Mercenary Geologist, and from miningclips.com, I'm Rob Goodman. Well, Mickey, as we head into August here, some very strong economic data today. 209,000 plus jobs added, a record 155 million plus in the workforce. Good news for the markets, tough on gold.
Yeah, lots of minimum wage jobs being taken up out there. Gold remained at its 6-week high of in the upper 260s until the jobs report came out this morning and at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, I think, and it dropped like a rocket, down $11. Silver, the same, dropped 3%. It finished at 1626. Gold at 1259. Platinum had a really good week, up 3% to 964, and palladium was down today to 864 for a loss of about 1% on the day. Meanwhile, copper, it was flat overall over the week, ranging between last week's close at 285 to 287. It closed at the top of that at 287 for 0.7% gain, $2 on the week. One thing of interest is gold futures are in backwardation for the next month, which means supply demand is very strong right now. But the other nice thing about it, there's a nice forward curve going forward out to 6 months. So copper remains strong.
Moving on to energy, oil, a nice day today, but couldn't quite get back in the black.
Yeah, oil was plus or minus $49 all week. Got a little bit above 50, made it in a 48 range, but it finished in the midpoint of that at 49.49 for 30% loss on the week. That's not much. Rigs were up another 8 rigs. Most of that was gas. 6 rigs added in gas at the beginning of the week. Venezuela is very close to default. Be interesting to see what happens in oil markets. I probably should say when that occurs, not if it occurs. And finally, uranium, no news is bad news. It was flat over the week, lost another 13 cents to close at 20.25.
Heading on to currencies, some strong economic data with reducing the trade deficit, I suspect, driven by a lower dollar. But the dollar rallied up today to close in the black, but the other two off a little.
Well, of course they're off a little. I mean, DXY is a basket of 6 currencies, and the euro and the loonie are 2 of those currencies. Dollar was down all week, got well below 93, and it rallied today on the good economic news. Dollar looks very oversold to me at less than 93. It rallied, finished at 93.45 for 0.1% gain, 11 cents on the week. Euro still closed at $1.18, although it was down 0.3. And the loonie really took in the shorts this week, down 1.7%, down to 79 cents and change.
Finishing up with the markets, the Dow in record territory again, led the way.
Yeah, continuing record highs for the Dow, surged above 22,000 on Wednesday, and onward and upward finish at 2293 for a 1.2% gain over the week. I mean, Dow's gone up 2.4% over the last 2 weeks. That's quite a move for what really is 30 blue chip stocks. S&P 500 finished 20 points or so under its all-time high, finished at 2476, up 4 points on the week. Nasdaq lost 23 points on the week, 27 points, I should say, down 0.4%, but still finished at 63.48 as the techs have really lagged behind the other markets in going up over the last couple of weeks. One thing I noticed is, although the Dow Industrial average is up, the Dow Transport average is fallen over the last 3 weeks, and a lot of analysts pay a lot of attention to transports in conjunction with the Dow Jones Industrials. So we've got noise in the background with some analysts saying a correction is near in the American markets, but geez, people, myself included, said we were due for a correction for 3 or 4 years now. So who knows when that will happen.
Yeah, and Greenspan supported that as well with a little chat he had. Last but not least, north of the border, the winning streak came to an end for the venture.
It did, but it's not been much of a winning streak. It gained all of 15 points during a 3-week winning streak. It's basically flat in this upper 760 to low 770 range. Finished at 766. Volumes ticked up over the week, but the index ticked down. Once again, we got to wait till after Labor Day before there'll be any relief in this market.
Well, I'll keep that glass half full, but look forward to getting your insights next week, Mickey. Have a great weekend.
All right, you too, Rob.